Electrification is helping us to lower our carbon footprint to mitigate climate change. Electricity generated sustainably and often more locally from wind, sun, and water is replacing power made from fossil fuels. The way we store and use power is changing too. This means we must use our buildings as a grid. They will become energy hubs where we store and manage the power we need for everyday activities, such as heating and lighting our homes and running our vehicles. For this, we need the right infrastructure in place. EV drivers need to know they can always charge their vehicle wherever they go, at the right speed and at the right price. The power systems in our buildings must provide EV charging in addition to powering everything they do already. This means installing EV charging infrastructure that offers sufficient capacity. Choosing the right infrastructure wisely really matters. We need the right infrastructure for all buildings, where we live, all the places we visit, in fact, anywhere we park a vehicle. And some buildings have very specific needs, like logistics centers and warehouses where fleets of vehicles must be charged. So, as the owner, developer, or manager of a building, or an architect or designer working for a client, you may be considering installing EV chargers. You may want to comply with EV charging regulations that exist now or are likely to exist soon. You may want to provide a great EV charging experience to make EV drivers choose to visit your building. You may want to maximize earnings from EV charging by limiting expenses and generating revenue. You may want to reduce your building's carbon footprint. It's an important thing to do, and we should all be thinking about this. And you will definitely want to avoid disrupting your business to integrate EV chargers into the building. At Eaton, we have developed a suite of EV charging and energy management products, software, and systems that we can tailor to your needs. We can help you adapt existing infrastructure to meet the extra demands of your EV charging infrastructure. We can boost power capacity without costly grid upgrades. We can help you minimize energy bills and avoid peak pricing. Battery-stored solar power is a solution that helps balance load on the electricity grid. We can help you manage and control your energy demand, usage, and charging station network. We've been into power management for more than 100 years, all around the world. We're dedicated to improving the quality of life and the environment, and we strive to help our customers do the same. Building the right infrastructure so that we can all be a part of the energy transition. Let's do this together. Let's make the energy transition work.